Hey my country people, how una dey? It's a sad day in Nollywood as this popular photographer don't pay me. It's a very sad news and very terrifying. If you dey alive, you need to be thankful to your chi. You need to be appreciative. You need to be thanking God always, cause going and coming back, dey easy. This young man that just died, his name is Wildshot. He's a popular photographer. In fact, a celebrity photographer. He's well known. He's very popular. He died on Tuesday, 8th of December, on his way to save his mother. Yes, you heard me. And he's the only son. Oh my goodness. So the mama call am, tell am say for where she dey, for their area, for their caban, that all these bad boys they shoot, that everybody's not safe. Everybody's not safe. The guy can't rush, can't live in gym where they do, go rush to save him mama, only for him to lose control. And I'm trying to overtake a trailer just to go save him mama, and so he can't get accident. He can't pay me. The love of a mother. See this young man, he was just trying to help his mama. What will his mom be thinking now? If I had known, I would have left my son. If I had known, because the joy of every mother is to see that her children, they are alive. May his soul rest in peace. Dey easy. Always pray as you are going to that road. Pray for Johnny Mercy. Cause this month they very terrible. Every month na so death just dey hover around. They go, they check person where you go take. But as you are watching this video now, death will never be your portion. Your family will see to the end of this year. This year will never see to your end. Please, my people, let's always be prayerful, because prayer is the key. I'm telling you, prayer is the key. Imagine someone that was there from January to this December now. Hey God. When I watched this news, I was like, I was not myself. I say, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey occur? No be person just won't go save him mama. Person wey just dey gym, him mama call am say, my pikin, please come and save me. Na bad thing, no be bad thing though. No be bad thing. Pikin wey go save him mama, no be bad thing. Cause I saw a lot of people blaming the mama, say why the mama no just stay for indoor, leave him pikin. Some people they were saying, why not the pikin call him mama, say mama please stay for indoor, stay in the room, don't go anywhere. Some people were kind of saying, How are you going to stop a stray bullet from hitting your mama? You be Spider-Man, I be Superman. Oh, Jesus Christ. A lot of controversial comments. But I no blame the mama, and I no blame the son. May his soul rest in peace.